Good evening everyone, and welcome to Raina Mo's Designs, and today I want to share with you my cloth and paper subscription. So if this sounds like a video that would interest you, continue watching. This is what I received for my cloth and paper subscription. They did change the packaging to make it better so that I didn't receive my boxes crushed like I received them before. So obviously on the front it has the packing label. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and then show you exactly what I received. Okay, so I've pulled it out, and as you guys can see, I'm still receiving my package damaged. So this subscription, I really like the paper. I think what I'm going to end up doing, because they insist on sending my paper and my pens together in the same package instead of sending them separately, I think I'm going to go ahead and cancel my Penspiration subscription, and then maybe later in like a week or so go ahead and re-sign back up with that subscription, so that way it'll only be one. I'll get two separate packages and I won't receive a crushed package, because this really upsets me very much because it's not a cheap subscription. I think this subscription is $30. Even if it was $10, I don't want to receive my package like this. I don't. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you what I received. In this particular subscription, it's fine linen paper that I normally receive in some way, shape, or form. It's something different. It's always a sampling, but it's very elegant paper. So if you have your own business, or you're a person who just prefers to have a higher quality paper to write on, this is what this subscription is about. So here it says, we've styled this month's box. Check out how we've put it all together here, and it gives you their web address. Then there's a sticker on here that says, there is luxury in simplicity, which we all know that to be true. And I'm just going to open it up. Let's see. And so the first things I see are these index cards that are Lux Organization Stationery and Gifts. Is what it always says. So I've got two packages of this beautiful gold foil lined index cards. I hope you guys can see that. Very, very beautiful. And it's double-sided, so you can use both sides of the card. That's absolutely wonderful. The next thing that I see here is a CEO sticker set. So it has these clear gold foiled embossed stickers to let you know when you have meetings, things that you need to do, if there's anything that you need to set up. Just really, really cute. Really cute stickers. The next item is an executive notes notepad. So you can see up at the top, you can date it, and then go ahead and take whatever notes it is that you need to take, reminders and what have you. So this is really, really cute as well. They have some really brilliant ideas and very nice luxurious things. But I don't know, I just don't care for their packaging personally. They also sent me the memorandum, and this is something from way back in the day that always kept me organized all throughout high school and also when I went to college. You don't see memorandums very much anymore, so I'm really pleased to see that they actually put these in. Now this is not gold foiled, but it is written in a very easy to remember text, and it's dark black so that you can see exactly what it is that you have to do. So I really do like this. They also sent some small memorandum cards, and this one, it looks like that it might be post-it notes, but very, very cute. So it tells you who to call, and if there's anything else that you have listed, like meetings and what have you that you need to attend, and a little area for you to write little notes on. So I really do like this. I really enjoy and I love what they sent me. I just don't like how I received it. And also, oh my goodness, I see how big your eyes got. Look at this beautiful gold and blush pen. Look at that, and it has beautiful weight to it. A nice pen. And it says cloth and paper. Okay. This is made up for the damaged package. This is a very nice pen. Very nice pen. But I still think I'm going to go ahead and separate those subscriptions so that I can actually receive a package that's not. Oh my goodness. And it's gel. It's gel. It's nice, y'all. Very nice. Yes, she is thick, just like her mama. I really like that. Really like it. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here. One thing that I have noticed with cloth and paper, I always receive some type of desk tool in the subscription box with the papers. I think the first time it was a protractor. The second time I'm not sure exactly what that item was, but it's really cute. This time is this beautiful blush and gold pen. This is so very nice. Very happy with this month's subscription products. Okay, now on to Pinspirations. Inspiration box. And it's a very sturdy box, and it never comes damaged. It's just the paper box that comes damaged because it's thin. And again, you get the same card that says, this is how we styled your box. Now, I got another card in here that is a very nice thick cardstock that says, you're a boss. And a package of pens. And in these package of pens, I see lots of color. I told you that this year was going to be a year of color. So I'm going to go ahead and open this.
I think this page is meant for you to test out all the pens on.
Yeah, but I'll do it on the back. Okay. So, okay, this pen was received opened for some reason. The pen is called True Color, or from True Color. I like how it has this really nice rubber grip here and that it's tapered in the center. So when you're pinching it, ooh, that is a very fine point. So let's test it out. It writes really nicely, very nicely. The next pen is a roller tip pen from Ihio. I think that's how you pronounce it, not real sure. It's liquid ink, and I'm assuming that it is pink. It is a 0.5 millimeter pen. Oh yes, that writes really nicely too. I love pens, and this is so apropos for breast cancer awareness. Really cute. Here's another nice slimline pen. There is no name on this pen, but it says it is a gel ink pen. It also says that it is also a 0.5 millimeter pen. And it is black ink. It writes really well too. It skips just a smidge, but I do like it, especially since you've got that nice click factor. So this would be wonderful in your purse, because you know when you've closed it that it's gonna stay closed because it's very secure. So you know you won't have any accidents with bleeding, as opposed to a click pen like this, or even a cap pen like this. This is a gorgeous, and it has a nice weight to it as well. The next pen kind of looks like this one, but it actually, if you can look at that, this would be ideal for a man in my opinion, even though it's a slimline pen, because it has grooves all the way up like a screw. And it also is It's a pencil actually, and it's 0.5 millimeters too. Let's see, it says it's a pencil, but it's a pen. It said pencil, but it's a pen. And this one writes better than the pink one. Very, very nice pen. I'm gonna try that one out, baby girl. And then here's another slimline one in like this, looks like diamond dust or diamond cut silver detail. This one just says it's 0.5 millimeters. It does not say if it is a pen or a pencil, but it is a pen. This one skips a little bit, but it is a nice pen. Smooth, but it does skip a little bit. Try that one out. And last but not least, this is another pen from Aheo, and it is a roller tip pen that is liquid ink, and it is a beautiful chartreuse green that, as you can see, skips like the dickens. So I'll have to work with this one for a while because it skips quite a bit.
The ink has to get
yeah, so I'll end up storing this one head down. But anyway, if you can see, this is my test run of just doing loops and swirls. Not writing anything in particular, just making scribble scratch just to test out the pens. So the bulk of the pens, as you can see, write very beautifully. Nice and thin and crisp. A few of them do skip though. So I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing this subscription with you guys. I really do love the items that I get from Cloth and Paper. But I'm gonna always say this, if every time I receive a damaged package, even though the items are secure and they're not damaged, it's not gonna make me feel real good. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Definitely give me a thumbs up for sharing this luxury brand with you. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with anyone who you think would enjoy it. Any professional or any student that's graduating from high school or college that could actually use these items. And like for me, whichever pens I don't like, I have two kids that are artists. They love pens. So this green one, if it don't start acting right real soon, I'll hand it to the children and they're gonna absolutely love it because they use ink when they do their drawing. Okay, so now we've come to the end of showing you this particular subscription. As you guys know, if I continue to receive the damaged packaging, it's not gonna make me happy, but I'm very happy with the quality that I receive, with the items that I receive. So I really think the answer to that is probably to go ahead and unsubscribe for about a week or two for the Penspirations, and then resubscribe for Penspirations so that they send them separately. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and definitely share this video with anyone in your life who's a professional or a student or would really enjoy some luxury products that they can write with and write on. But most importantly, have an absolutely wonderful evening. Bye.